Descript is a transcript-based editor, which means if I open up my timeline here, most video editors are timeline-based, so this is the familiar view that you've seen from Premiere, iMovie, anything else that is out there. They all use timelines, which Descript does, but it's primarily meant to be used for spoken word stuff using this transcript here. So you can highlight portions of text, and if I highlight the word Descript project that you want to take to, then it highlights it down on the timeline as well. And I could delete it by clicking delete on my Mac keyboard. It'd be backspace on the Windows. I can restore that by hitting undo. I can go into write mode here in the top right, and I can start typing something. This is my edit words. Like that. I could correct words if the AI got it wrong in the transcription. I could change punctuation. All that type of stuff can be done in the transcript.